In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Robux and please donate. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to roblox.com and log in into your account. Now from here in the home page, what you want to do is to hover your mouse here to the upper right corner of the screen just beside the settings. So you want to click on the Roblox icon. From here, just select My Transactions and any pending Robux that is been donated to you or be sent to you will be going here. So you should see a pending Robux text right here if you have one. So you will see how much pending Robux you will receive. So you don't have to do anything to claim that Robux. You just need to wait for 1 to 7 days, depending on the Roblox's transaction. So you just need to wait for that specific days, and it will automatically be added to your Roblox account. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.